Good morning, children. This is a science revision for you. Saturday, I'm going to conduct a test for 40 marks. Listen carefully. I'm going to revise you for 4 lessons. This is a first lesson, my body lesson. Name the internal organ. I told you right in the first class what are the organs inside our body. We can't see. Okay, this is our heart, stomach, kidney, lungs or internal organs. These are all called the internal organs. What are the functions of brain? Brain is the commanding center of our body. It helps us to think and perform various actions. This is a commanding center. In class I told you how your mom commanding you in the morning. For example, if your name is X, get up, brush your teeth, wear your uniform, wear your shoes, take your bag. So she's commanding everything to you when you're getting ready to the school. So her brain is the commanding center for our whole body and help us to think and perform various action. So if you want to do any activities, first we think and then we perform the action. So that is the main functions of the brain. How will you take care of your heart and kidney? Heart, avoid the fatty foods. Fatty foods. Kidney, drink more water. If our heart should be healthy, we should avoid fatty foods. The fatty is more in the mutton and some of the cheese, ghee. These are all the fatty foods. So old age people should not have or try to avoid the fatty foods for a healthy heart. And for a healthy kidney, we have to drink more water. So our kidney will be healthy. How will you take care of your mouth and teeth? Change the toothbrush once in every 3 months. Okay? For every 3 months, you have to buy a new brush and use it. Next, avoid sticky food. So chocolate, some cheese, everything will stick in your teeth. So avoid sticky food. Brush twice a day. Morning you have to brush and before going to bed you have to brush. So brush twice a day. This is the second lesson, material and matter. What is a light source? Light may come either from the sun or from the source. The object that give off light are called a light source. Sun is a natural source, we are getting a light. Another source, look at a home, we are having a tube light and other LED lights, light lamp, everything giving a light to a house. So natural light is a sun. So we are getting the light from the sun and other source. Other source means it's a tube light, LED light, everything. So what are the giving the lights to us? It's called a light source. Define a reflection. The bouncing of light by any smooth or polished surface is called a reflection. Whatever we light passing through the glass, plain glass, it will reflect on the other side. So that's called a reflection. Already we did an activity, right? So you can able to know the definition of reflection. So good example I told you in the class, I told you mirror. Once we pass a light on the mirror, it will reflect on the other object. I show you the picture in the class. So remember it and study. Okay, bouncing the light by any smooth or polished surface is called a reflection. Define material. The matter from which a thing is made up of is called a material. I told you matter is available in our universe, that is earth. I told you what all available in the universe: sand, soil, rock, tree, leaves, and whatever it's available in a universe, it's called a matter. Using the matter we are making into material. See, we are just take example of wood, taking the wood from the tree and making into chair or table, sofa, bed, cot, everything we are making from a matter. Getting matter from wood and making into material and We are making a useful products for us. So matter from which a thing is made is called a material. So for example, one wood is in the universe. So we are cutting down the wood and making this pencil. So pencil is a material now. Okay children, so wood. Chair is made up of wood, eraser is made up of rubber, candle is made up of wax. So this is our third lesson, work and force. Name some simple missions. Simple missions are tools which are used to make our work easier. Pulley, wedge, inclined plane, screw, lever, wheel. Pulley in a well, that is canal. In well we used a pulley to pull the water from the outside. And inclined plane, I told you right, in the hospital they kept a inclined plane, that is a slope surface. Using this, the wheelchair they take a patient inside. So inclined plane is very easy to move an object. Next is screw. So when we are using a screw, it will hold the two objects. And lever, wheel, axle. So these are the example for simple machine. Next, define a work. An action in which one exerts a force to move an object is known as a work. I told you right, this is a pencil, this is an object. I am just moving by force applying on the pencil by using my hand. So the pencil is moving from one place to another place. So the work is done. Write any three types of energy: thermal energy, electrical energy, chemical energy. These are the three energy. Name the food product derived from the milk. In last class we saw it, right? What are the milk products? Cheese, butter, milk sweet, curd, ghee, buttermilk, paneer. These are the foods we are derived from the milk. This is a name food product derived from the milk. So these are the products we are deriving. Okay.